أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today I'm making video for you those who want to teach the Holy Quran in English all over the world. Learn the Holy Quran with the Tajweed rule. This is Surah Fatiha. It has 1 raku and 7 verses. Let's start Tasmiyah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This ba connect with the seen because seen has jazm sign over there. Jazm sign mean connecting sign, joining sign, link sign. So the mutaharrik letter ba, motion letter ba, zir b will connect with the seen. After connected with the seen, the sound should be here, bis, and this is the meme, zermi, will connect with the lam mushadda with the standing zabar. We will read this ism jalalat with the tarqiq. Tarqiq means softly, because there is a zer before ism jalalat. You will read softly. Bismillah. This is hazir. He connect with the ra mushadda with the zabar, and the ra mushadda with the zabar connect with the ha. This is a sharp letter. Hirrah. Hirrah. Meme has standing zabar over there. Ma, you will stretch a little bit. This noon zerni connect with the ra mushadda with the zabar with extra stress near ra, and this is the sharp letter where it has a zer connect with the ya. This is ya madda here. There were 3 madda letters, alif madda, waw madda and ya madda. So you will stretch here because this is the waqf tam here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Some people read this al with kalkala roll, al, and this is totally wrong. You shouldn't read like that. And correct is this al. This is the mutaharrik letter with the zabar. We call it fatah also, fatah. This hamza fatah a will connect with the lam sakina because lam has jazm sign over there. You will read al. This is a sharp letter. Connect with the meme. Ha zabar meme ham. This is the mutaharrik letter. This is the motionless letter. Sakina letter. Meme sakina. Meme has spoon sign over there. How will you read? Al-ham. Dal pesh du. Al-ham-du. Lillah. Lillah. You will read this lam mushadda with the standing zabar with the extra stress. Lillah. Hazir he. Now read all together with correction. Alhamdulillahi. This is a ra. This ra become heavy letter due to zabar, fatah. This zabar connect with ba mushadda with zir, and this ra connect with the ba with the extra stress. Rabbi, 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 and this B is going to connect with lam sakina. Rabbil, Rabbil. Ain, it is a ain. It is the middle shape of a ain with the standing zabar over there. Rabbil Rabbil lam zabar la, Rabbil ala, mim zer ya, mi noon zabar na, Rabbil alameen. And waqfan, when you stop there, this ya madda, how will you read? Alhamdulillahi Rabbil alameen. Okay, and how will you read this one? Because there is a alif and there is no any movement over there. We put logically zabar over there, and this alif become hamza zabar a. Will connect with the ra mushadda with the zabar. Ar-ra, ar-ra, ar-rah, ar-rah, ar-rah. Ma, mim has a standing zabar over there. Ar-rahma, nirra, 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 nirrahim. This is the ya madda here. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. You will stretch a little bit over there because mim has standing zabar. Maliki, Maliki, Yao, Yao. This is a vowel. Yao. You will read this waw sakina very softly. They were two lean letters in the whole Quran, waw sakina and ya sakina, when they have a zabar before them, they become lean letter. Yaw. This meme will connect with the dal mushadda or with the zair, and dal mushadda with the zair connect with the ya sakina. So how will you read? Yaw mid Dini, Yaw Medini. And a waqfan, how will you read? This is a waqf tam here, this is a waqf mutlaq here, and it is better to stop there. And noon zer ni would be changed into noon sakina. So waqfan, how will you read? Maliki Yaw Deen. It is very, very important to know how will you read this ya mushadda. You will read this ya mushadda with extra stress. Hamza zair e. E sound will connect with ya mushadda. Iya, iya, iyaka. Repeat after me. Iyaka na'budu, na'budu. Yes, this is the noon zabar na, and it is the middle shape of ayn. Ayn has a jazm sign over there. Na'budu iyaka na'budu wa. Okay, when you read a waw, your lips should be round. Your lips should be rounded. Wa, wa, wa iyyaka, wa iyyaka nasta'in. And waqfan you will read nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdi, Nasi. This is the haruf musta'aliya letters. They were 7 bold letters. Haruf musta'aliya letters. So khassa, daghin, qir. Nasi, heavy letter. Ihdi, Nasi. This alif, and this lam. They are all empty letters. We will skip them. We want to read them. This noon directly connect with the Sad mushadda, with the kasra, with the zair, with the extra stress. Nasi, ra. This is the heavy letter due to zabar, due to fatha. And this is the alif madda. And this alif become alif madda because there is a zabar before alif, you will stretch a little bit. Nasira, nasira. This is the ta. It is also heavy letter. Connect with the lam, motionless letter, and lam sakina letter, because lam has jazm sign, sukoon letter. Tol, siratal, musta, ihdina siratal musta. This is the heavy letter qaf, ze, ya, qi, mustaqima. Okay, and the waqfan, how will you read? Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina. This is a heavy letter. Sad, ra, ta, heavy letter. Ra, due to zabar, ra become heavy letter. This ta connect with the lam shadda with zabar. Talla, talla, rina. This is a zal. You will read very softly, and this is the yamada also. Rina, siratal ladhina. It is noon sakina, and you will read very clearly. Noon sound would be read very clearly because this is the izhar. Some people read wrong. Ana, 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 ana. Okay, it will be wrong. Correct is this. An, amta, an'amta. Because after nun sakina, throttle letter is appearing. Ain is a throttle letter, and they were 6 throttle letters. So you make izhar here. An'amta alayhim, alayhim. Ghai, ghai, heavy letter, ghain, ghai, ghai, ril, ghairil, ghairil, maghdubi. And often few people read this line with the kalkala, maghdubi. Okay, it will be wrong, totally wrong. So how will you read? And correct is this. Ghairil maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. This is a mad lazim here. Waladdallin. And this is the waqf tam here, and this sign is representing about raku. MashaAllah. So listen, be carefully. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim ghairil maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Ameen. I hope so you will like this video, and if you want to watch like this video, please give comments. How will you like, and how would you like this video? So please share this video as much as you can on different social medias: Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, TikTok and Facebook. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.